how to fix if there are no emojis in keyboard. So if you don't have any emojis in the keyboard, like if I open up my keyboard, here you can see I have the emoji option right here. But if you don't have the emoji options, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the system section. Under system, you will have languages and input. Tap on it. And here you will have your keyboard. So you just need to simply go with on-screen keyboard. And here you need to choose the Gboard, which has that English in it. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, go with the search. Under search, you need to search for keyboard. Once you search for keyboard, here you will have on-screen keyboard. Tap on it and make sure that it is turned on. And after that, search for Gboard. And here make sure that it is enabled. And then tap on the app info of the Gboard. Go with storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and then go back. And that's it. Now you can restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if there are no emojis in your keyboard. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.